Welcome to CommonScentsy, real instructions for real life. Today, we're going to learn how to use the cruise control in a car. We're going to take a Ford Mustang with the buttons like an American car usually has on the steering wheel. So let's go. Okay, so we're going to learn how to use cruise control. So on this specific car, there's the cruise control button for on, off, cancel, resume, and then set positive or negative, which is plus or minus. So let's get going. This also happens to be a manual. So we get to a straight road and you're like, hey, I could probably use cruise control here. So what you do is you press cruise control on, and you get to the speed that you'd like in whatever gear you happen to be in, and then you can set positive or negative. So once it's set, you just let it go. And then what happens is, if you want to pass somebody, you can just accelerate. And then once you've passed that person, you let off the gas, and it'll go back to the set cruise control that you've set. However, as you approach a corner where you have to slow down, you just step on the brake, and cruise control turns off. So once again, you've got to another straight road. You're like, hey, maybe I'll turn cruise control on. It's about a 50 here, which is about like 15 miles per hour. Set it to positive or negative on the set button. You're now in cruise control. You just take it nice and easy. A nice relaxing drive. You don't have to avoid people and just pay attention and you're good. So then you step on the brake, because it's a red light, and cruise control turns off. And you get up to speed again. Press set, and now the cruise control is set to the speed that you desire. You can essentially drive in traffic with one foot by accelerating, letting go of the gas, and then it'll automatically decelerate to the speed which you desire. So that is how you use cruise control. So that is how you use the cruise control on a car. You make sure you press the on button while your car is turned on. For cruise control, you get up to a certain speed and then you press the set button. If you press the brake or the cancel button, it will cancel itself out. But once you start accelerating again and you press the resume button, it will go back up to speed. If at any time you want to slow down and you press the brake, it will cancel the cruise control. And that is real instructions for real life with CommonScentsy. Make sure you comment, hit like, subscribe, share the video, and throw it halfway across the ocean. I don't know. All right. Real life, no bullshito.